Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video I will show you to create an image slider in your ClickFunnels website. Here you can go and type Common Ninja. So this one is the website. You can open it and after that click here start creating. Here you can create different type of sliders. You can create the image gallery and different other widgets that you can easily use. So first of all, you can create a free account. Select this one, Gmail account. Scroll down, click here continue button. You can also create your account with the GitHub. Okay, now we have 0 widgets and 0 projects. So on the left side here you can see this one is the dashboard. Click here plus button. Here you can see different categories. Here you can search for image slider. This one, click here. And this one is the default layout. So on the top, this one is the heading title. Here you can go and you can add anyone, for example enable website design. So you can add whatever text you want. After that, under the images, these are the image captions. Here you can go to settings, this one, then after that scroll down. Here you can find out different options such as you can increase and decrease the speed. After that click here, then scroll down. Here you can select the caption size. Let me change it to the 0. So captions are removed. Now you can select the image aspect ratio. So these are the 16:9. Here you can go and select different. You can also add the custom ratio. So I want to go with this one, 300. Then after that let's go back. Now you can expand it and then upload your images. So let me go here and upload the file. So before that I need to go back, click on save changes. So once you have done, you can copy this code. So I can copy it and add it here, this one. So after that again I can go back and then try to upload the image file. So let me select one of the image, this one, and then open the folder, then select the image. So at this moment we can select one image. So this one is uploading. After that click here, then use media. Here you can add the link. So when someone click on this image, then you can redirect. After that again you can do it for all images. So again I can go and select a different image, this one, then use media for the third. I can edit third image, this one. Okay, this is done. Now click here save changes and after that click publish. So I can copy this code. Then let's go back to the ClickFunnels. Then after that click here start button. Now here we can edit this page. Then scroll down. Here we can add this code at the end. Now let me add a new section. Here we need to add the new row. So let me add one column row. After that click here add element. Here you can type HTML this one. After that, click here. So here you can see this one, settings, then scroll down. After that, click here, open code editor, then add the code here, then close it. After that, click on save button, then preview it. Now scroll down. Here you can see slider is created. So in this way you can easily create the slider on the ClickFunnels platform.